So let's go. Hey everyone, Abner Reviews here. Happy New Year guys. Welcome back to our channel. And to start the year right, this is our brand new Nerf gun right here. Again, Happy New Year guys, and thanks for all your support from our 2021 videos, and welcome 2022. So on to our Nerf gun right here. This is the Nerf N-Strike Modulus Ghost Ops Evader. So this one is an OG, so it really is a classic Nerf gun right here. This one is packaged quite big right here. So Nerf branding right here, and of course this is a motorized blaster.
Perfect.
For ages 8 and up right there. Of course, it's as I said, it's a motorized blaster, so we need 4X AA batteries. And this is our Hasbro branding right here on the corner right there. This Nerf gun right here is unique. It lights up as mentioned in here, so we're gonna check it out later. It's on the back of our box right here, so we see how our Modulus Ghost Ops Evader looks like right here. Wow. Another feature of this very special Nerf gun right here is it is modular, hence the name right there, Modulus, right? You can always upgrade this one to get accessories right here, as you can see. So these are the options you have right here on the upper right corner right here. Maybe clips or stock or extended barrel right there. So there are a lot of options being offered by this Nerf gun right here. Although I'm not sure you can get all those upgrades right there. As I mentioned, this is already an OG Nerf gun right here, considering. So we'll figure it out which ones we can get our hands on so we can upgrade this one right here. Perfect. So as you can see, there's a stock option attachment right here at the end of our gun. And this one comes with an extended barrel right there. So it also lights up the barrel as mentioned here on the box right there. So I guess this is the light up button right there. So the option is to go stealth, hence the Ghost Ops connotation for the Nerf gun name. Or you can light it up so you can fire a Nerf gun in style with the neon lights right there. So let us continue with our unboxing. So here's what we got right here. So we have some paperwork for our new Nerf gun right here. So this is more like a quick start guide, and this one is more like an ad for their other lineups right there. This one is our extended barrel. So those are the locks right there. We have the 12X Elite Nerf darts right here. And this is our 12 dart clip right here. So this is the attachment that comes with the Nerf gun. We're going to install this one on our Nerf gun so we can use our 12 dart clip right here. Perfect. Okay, so this is the mag release button right here, I believe. So you can press that like so. And of course our Nerf and Strike Modulus Ghost Ops Evader right here. So as you can see right here, our Nerf gun really does look great. It really looks that futuristic, just like our Hammer Storm, right? Somewhat resembles it, but this one is a really transparent in color right here. And you can see all the inside, all the parts inside that makes the Nerf gun work. So of course this is our gun grip right here. Maybe a smoke transparent plastic on this side, but clear on this side. So this is the acceleration button right here. So you can see how it works right there. And just on top of that is our orange trigger right there. So you can also see how it works. So you see it moves right there. So we can fire our darts. Perfect. I already mentioned that this is a motorized Nerf gun, right? So it needs 4 AA batteries so that we can make it work. So that is our trigger, and there's the Nerf logo right here. So back here is a stock attachment option right here. So maybe we can include a stock on our future upgrade. So you see how the trigger works right there, right? So on the scope part right here, you see that there are rails on top of it. So you can attach a scope right there. Perfect. So actually, just below the gun grip right here, we also have a rail in there, right here. So you can also attach maybe a laser pointer right there. And this orange part right here, just below the Evader logo, right here, this is also a rail. So just to recap, we have a total of 3 rails available to us. One down here, one down here, and one long rail right here on top on the scope part. And just below it, this is the light activator button right here. So you press it for the lights on our Nerf gun to come on. And as you can see on the Evader logo right there, that is the mechanism that makes our darts fly through our barrel right here. So those two right there, so they rotate really fast, and our Nerf darts pass through there off to our barrel right here. So this is our barrel right here. So you can pretty much see the inside of our Nerf gun right there. This is where we would be attaching our extended barrel later on. So those are the locks right here, big one, small one right there. That is also our top rail, and on the scope section, that's how it looks like. So on the other side of the gun, you can pretty much see the insides, right? So that is the chip that controls our flywheel right there, the one that makes our dart fly through our barrel right there. So that's the chip that controls it. And this one here is where we would be attaching our mag or clip right there on this opening here. So more of our orange trigger, you can see how it pushes the darts right here, and the acceleration button right there. So just before the attachment option right here for stock, that is our battery compartment right there. So this is where we will put our 4X AA batteries. So our batteries are installed right there, as you can see. Now we are going to install the one for the magazine or clip right there. So we're just going to attach this here.
Wow!
So that is attached right there. So now we can insert our 12 dart mag right here. Right there. So that's how it looks like, guys. So it's loaded from the side right there. If you want to reload, just push this button right here to release the mag or clip. And there we go. So the only thing left is our extended barrel right here. Big lock goes to the big guy right here, and small one goes to the small one. Okay? And then to lock it, turn it counterclockwise.
Perfect.
Right there. That's how our gun looks like right now. Wow. So with the attachment right here for the mag, we're clip in our extended barrel right there. So now all we need to do is load our clip right here. So that's 12 dart loaded right there. And there we go. This is a long Nerf gun, guys. Really long with the extended barrel right there. So that is our Nerf and Strike Modulus Ghost Ops Evader right there. Oh, yeah, one more thing. So the lights, right? So we have already put in our batteries, so the lights should work right now. So demonstrate, this is the light activator button right here. So I just press that one to turn the lights right there. Nice, right? One more time. So there you go, guys. That is some great feature right there, right? I love that neon light. And the entire presence of the gun when it's in the dark, it's really, really good. I like it. So now all that's left is to fire our Nerf and Strike Modulus Ghost Ops Evader right here. So let us fire our Nerf gun right now. So there you go, guys. This is a great Nerf gun right here to start our year 2022, right? So this is the Nerf and Strike Modulus Ghost Ops Evader right here. So it was equally fun firing it and assembling it, especially with the bonus lights, which we have experienced earlier. That was really, really great. I like this gun. Again, this is an OG Nerf right here. And the loading for our gun right here on the sides, that is really, really unique right there. The transparent plastic and the orange color really pops out. I really like that combination. So I hope you like our first Nerf gun of the year right here. This is the Nerf and Strike Modulus Ghost Ops Evader right here. So which Nerf guns do you use? Which ones do you have on your collection? Please share with us, guys, and comment it down below. So please do not forget that we are still on our 3,500 subscribers giveaway. For more info on that, click the link right here and on our video description. By the way, congratulations to all the winners from our December-tastic 2021 giveaway. You rock, guys. So for all those who didn't win, we have tons of stuff to give away this year. So just stay tuned to our channel. So do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abner's Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload another one of our Nerf gun reviews right here, as well as our normal video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. So that's been it. This is Abner's Reviews, and I will catch you guys on the next one.